What's up? What's up, guys? It is early in the morning. I woke up because I want to explore myself right now. Today, July 20. So, my plan today is to go around somewhere. And I want to film myself for just memories. And this is the first vlog na ipopost ko. This is episode 1 for my vlog. And usually I do traveling, and I hope you guys support me because I really want to capture myself moments and explore any places. So today, samahan niyo ako, guys. I will go somewhere. Maybe I will go to Samo together with my friend. A friend of mine is doon nakatira. So, yeah. Maybe I'm gonna go there. So I am here in Samal. Finally. I will wait here for a while. Hintayin ko lang yung friend ko here. Nagmotor siya. So basically, guys, ang gagawin lang namin is to explore. Basically explore. Mag-rides kami kasi meron siyang motor. Local siya dito, so she knows everything about here. Marami kaming trip ngayon. Maybe we buy food first. After that, we find a place, a beach rather. We find a cliff jump. Mag-cliff dive tayo, guys. Veg, guys. Siya yung sinasabi ko. Veggie!
Ano, Sabang Cliff.
Sabang Cliff! Sabang Cliff! Sabang Cliff is the most well-known cliff jump in Samal Island with the highest of 40 feet tall na siguradong kakabahan ka kung tatalon ka dito. But still, Pets and I will travel there from Kinawitnon to Sabang Cliff. So, ano? Tara?
Straight na ko. Straight ka na. Oo, straight. Kaya nag-dito. Sila na sa Samal. Ang bansang ano sa Samal. Ito naman baboy, guys.
Yay! Padulong kami, guys. Niyonong kami kadyot. Let's go. This is not Sabang Cliff, guys. This is Bandera. Nadaan lang namin ni Pedge kaya gusto naming mag-explore. And I did not expect na maganda pala ang view dito. And our goal for this episode 1 sa vlog natin is to have a peace of mind by connecting beautiful nature. So we plan na magstay muna for a while. At syempre, magja-jam muna kami. Dito kami nagkakilala sa paggigitara. And actually, hindi lang dapat kami ang nagtatravel ngayon. Kasi most of our travel, kumpleto kami. And ito lang talaga ang trip namin magtotropa. Nakikita mo naman ang mga mukha namin, di ba? Halos damang-dama ang saya. At halos nalilimutan ang problema. But this time, kami na muna ni Pedge ang magsisimula sa vlog na matagal ko nang pinaplano. Nandito na kami sa Sabang Cliff. Grabe ang taas ng cliff diving dito, guys. And madami ding fisherman here. Ngayon, this is the time na mag-cliff jump na ako.
Go bro, wait lang!
Pero hindi ganang kadali ang pag-cliff jump ko, guys. Kasi almost 20 minutes akong na-stuck sa 40 feet tall na cliff jump areas in Sabang Cliff. Kaya, pinahuna ko muna yung mga local na nakilala namin dito lang.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Grabe, napakagaling ng mga lokal dito, guys. This is my first time na natakot talaga akong tumalon. Kasi most of my cliff jump, hindi ako natatakot. Hindi ako nag-hesitate. Pero at least this time, naranasan kong matakot.
Go!
And this is the perfect time that I need to face my fear.
Sige na yun! Sige na yun! Go! Sige na yun! Go! Nangisa na rin! Nangisa na rin! Ay ate, dugayan ay! Gidalaga ni tiga diri kay pinakataas! Next! Diretso na! Ayan na! Diretso na! Ay, nagsukan! Kita yun, diretso! Kita sinabi na! Kita yun! Lukso na yun! Sige na!
Masunod.
Laga na kayo sila.
Ikaw lagi no ba? Sunod lagi ko, promise. Oh, nag-shirt ba ako, oh? Oh, maligo ba ako? Oh, dali. Dali. Ah, sige, sige. 3, 2, 1, go. Dive na lang si kuya. Next.
For our last destination, this is Poblacion, Kaputian. After namin sa Sabang Cliff, dumiretso kagad kami dito. Kasi gusto din namin mag-beach. Ang ganda ng Poblacion, Kaputian, guys. This beach is perfect for relaxing. And ito na, guys, yung goal natin na peace of mind.
Yo, what's up, man? We're here in Samal.
Samal na talaga, literal na Samal. See? Let's go! Woo! Nice kay diri, guys. I didn't expect na maabot na ko diri. This is really giving me a peace of mind. Peace of mind guys. Awa ninyo. Awa na ninyo kung saan nakanindot. It's giving like a Boracay. What a wonderful day. This is the first episode of my vlog. There will be a lot of incoming vlog. Kahit first pa lang to. Peaceful masyado. And this is how you live life, bro. So live life. Enjoy life. Appreciate place. Explore. Yo!
Satisfied na ko, man. Nakasulod tag mga free beach here.
Ang nagasulang mo diri guys, transportation ug food. Mao lang.
Yeah. Only food and transportation.
The rest you can enjoy.
Ano dyan? Sulit ang... Man, it's all about free.
It's about how you live life, bro. There's enough time to go somewhere. Kung saan mo gusto pumunta. Hanapin mo yung place na makapagbigay sa'yo ng peace of mind.
Exactly, man. Look at this. The white sand. Yan ako.
Parang Boracay lang.
The white sand. Anything, bro.
How many special people change? How many lives are living strange?
I've come to understand that finding your own peace is all about how you nurture yourself. It could be through things, places, or even the people who mean a lot to you. Personally, I've decided to connect with nature, and that's the main reason behind my vlog. A big shout out as well to Pedge for always being up here, for spontaneous adventure and traveling with me. And I hope soon, madami na tayo. A friendly reminder to everyone to make sure to dive into activities that bring you joy and a sense of calm. So, this is the end of my vlog. Kasi after namin nag-beach, we tend to eat foods in restaurant. We talk about the memories, the moments we made. And after that, the last part, of course, the goodbye scene.